Hello guys, meet our powerful beginner level 3D printer Altron. It's compact and it has a print dimension of 200 mm in all the direction, that is in X, Y and Z axis. It's compact and it fits easily on your desk. The printer setup is very simple, and with automatic calibration and bed leveling, it's always ready to print accurately without any issues. It has a nozzle cleaning mechanism, which with this feature you will keep your extruder in good condition and minimizing the maintenance of the nozzle. Next, our printer is built to handle a variety of materials like PLA, PETG, TPU and also the composite material like PLA CF. The extruder, which heats up to 280 degrees Celsius, and the bed, which heats up to 80 degrees Celsius. It has a PI sheet. It's a dual sided textured PI sheet, and it has a magnetic sheet and a spring steel PI sheet, which will make the prints come off easily. Next, this is a cool looking 3.5-inch touchscreen display, which offers a very user friendly interface for a print setup and printer operation. This printer capable of printing at 200 mm per second, and with vibration control, the technology it has, your print will come out smooth and accurate even at higher speeds like 200 mm per second. With smart servo extruders, the printer has a filament sensor in the back here. You will get filament runout and clock detection, so you can print confidently knowing machine will pause if it encounters any issue while printing. That is, if the filaments tangle or the any tangling or clogging has occurred or filament runouts, then you can print easily and you can resume the print after sorting the issues, and if it you will get the print with zero failures. And it also has a power failure recovery. So if the printer has printed the half of a part, and if the power failure occurs, the printer can resume a pause print after unexpected power failure. So you can depend on you are not dependent on the power failure, and you can get the parts printed and your work is not lost. Next we have the the nozzle cleaning feature I have already told you about. Next we will talk about, here we have the part cooling fan, and also the machine weighs about 20 kgs around. So let's see how auto leveling works. So I will simply start the auto leveling feature, and with just a tap the printer starts its precise bed leveling process, making sure the print bed is perfectly even. This print head measures multiple points across the bed, adjusting any small variations to ensure the first layer is very precise and flawless. This feature saves you a lot of time, because in the market there are printers which will take a lot of time for leveling the bed and calibration process. So it is an auto calibration process which will save you a lot of time. Once the bed is leveled, you are ready to print. So yes, now you are ready to print. Just load your G-code file which contains your design, your printer settings, your filament settings. Yes, just load your G-code file and hit the start button here. Yes, now your part will just print. The extruder which hits quickly to the perfect temperature, and the print beds which keeps the everything in place thanks to the auto leveling. Now just sit back and watch your design which will be completed. So here goes the down this first layer. So with our printer you can print with confidence, speed and quality. This will take your project to your next level. Thank you.